Hello, Forever family. Hello to my Forever European family. Holly Stout here. I'm going to spend just a few minutes with you talking about a brand new product that I know you've been hearing a lot about. Now, I know that there's a lot of mixed emotion with this product because we're saying hello to the Aloe Cooling Lotion while we say goodbye to a longtime loved product, Aloe Heat Lotion. And I'm here to explain the what's and the whys. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Just give me one moment. Aloe Cooling Lotion is a brand new product to our European markets exclusively. And this comes on the heels of a very difficult decision that the company had to make. Earlier this year, we heard about a legislation or a regulation that was happening in Europe that impacted one of our most popular and legacy products. And you may be wondering why Aloe Cooling Lotion is here. So if you haven't heard, we had a regulation that restricted a percentage of one of the main active ingredients in our Aloe Heat Lotion. The ingredient is called methyl salicylate, and it's one of the ingredients that cause that powerful heating effect in this lotion. And when we tried to reformulate and reduce it to the level that the EU regulations guided us to reduce it to, the product became ineffective and it no longer heated up to the level that you would come to expect from that product. We knew that was not acceptable, and we quickly went to work with our scientific team to design a product to replace heat lotion. And today, you get to have the opportunity to have a brand new product in your market, and we took the opportunity to formulate this new product to meet a new demographic. It fits in really well with a fast-growing market category of cooling gels. You may see them all over social media. The cooling effect is the new cool when it comes to products of this type. And we took the opportunity to create a product that's just as effective as heat lotion with a simple different function. So it's going to be a popular product among many people who have an active lifestyle. It shares many of the same ingredients as our Aloe Heat Lotion. Please remember, we know how difficult change is for you, and we want to keep things as consistent as possible. It wasn't acceptable for us to have a product that did not render the effect it was supposed to affect. And when the Aloe Heat Lotion lost the heat, we knew we had to quickly go to work, and Aloe Cooling Lotion is the new answer to that category and to this new product. So let's talk about its function. Well, it's designed to help recharge muscles and joints. In fact, friends, on the front panel of the tube, it says muscle and joint support. So there's no confusion about how this product is designed to be used and what your customer can expect when they open this tube and rub it into your skin. It's great for people with an active lifestyle. You can apply this after a long, busy day, or you can use it post-workout. But it's really, truly designed to support an active body and provide a refreshing, relaxing sensation. The minute you put this on your skin, you're going to know exactly what I'm talking about. You can also expect a very quick absorbing and non-greasy lotion. It's designed to get in quickly and do exactly what it was designed to do. And that cooling effect is so delightful. I cannot wait for you to experience it. Let's talk about the science behind, because I know you're really interested to know how we developed it and some of the benefits of this product. Well, you're going to get a refreshing sensation from a blend of scientifically vetted ingredients, and it starts with menthol crystals, camphor, and eucalyptus oil, and of course, there's the power of aloe vera in this formula. Let's talk about what those ingredients do in this formula so that you can recognize that benefit once you use this product. Of course, aloe vera is in this product at a very, very high concentration. Aloe is the hero here. It helps with the playtime it helps the lotion with the playtime so that as you massage it into those areas in the skin, it gives the playtime on the skin to where you can get an effective massage. So it's designed to help support and ease the massaging of muscles as you're working this new cooling lotion to the skin. Menthol crystals provide a really powerful and cooling, but a refreshing sensation, a little bit different than the heating lotion, where you actually felt a warm sensation. This provides kind of more of a refreshing, but it's also cooling and soothing at the same time. It really creates a delightful experience on the skin. and it's just as powerful as heat lotion. In fact, stay tuned. On the last slide, I'll give you some of the focus groups feedback about this brand new cooling lotion. Camphor is designed to help produce a soothing and a relaxation sensation when massaged into the skin. And camphor is one of those heroes in this formula, designed with eucalyptus oil, which helps to ease sore muscles with a cooling, soothing effect. You can see on the screen, all of this blend combined with aloe gives you great playtime to massage into that muscle and joint area, or just massage into your skin after a really busy day. It's really designed to help support those active lifestyles. Some of the key benefits of this product, and these are compliant things that you can talk about with this product. It's designed to help ease tired muscles and provides a cooling and soothing effect. It conditions the skin and is really easy to massage into the muscles and joints, thanks to the aloe vera. It aids in recharging and refreshing post-exercise. So again, you know who your customer is. And it has a quick, absorbing, non-greasy feel on the skin. Everything that you would expect from a product in this category designed to support you and your needs to provide a powerful, refreshing sensation. Who can use cooling lotion? Well, anybody who has an active lifestyle is going to fall in love with this product. You can continue to use this product the exact same way that you used heat lotion. You can use it after you've worked long hours, after you've spent time with a busy schedule. You could use it as it's going to be the perfect product in your post-recovery toolbox. So after a workout, this is the perfect product to stick into your gym bag or even have readily available along with your water that you're drinking, designed to help you support that fatigue that you experience when you work out or when you really exert that extra energy. Again, the massage time is perfect. So how you're going to use it is exactly the same way you used heat lotion. You're going to apply it liberally and simply massage it into the skin. The aloe gives it that play time to really get that great massage into those areas and provide that really cooling, refreshing sensation. Please remember to apply this from the neck down. One little thing you may not realize is that sometimes our focus group members stated that with our heat lotion, sometimes it was so warm, they could not tell if it was cooling or warming. And the converse was true with this product. They could not tell once it got to its most potent area, they could not tell if it was actually cooling or warm on the skin. It kind of plays a little trick on you, the same way heat lotion did. So please apply this from the neck down and avoid those intimate areas. It is a powerful sensation and it's designed for topical use, external use only, from the neck down, and we recommend it for ages 18 and up. Aloe Cooling Lotion versus Aloe Heat Lotion. Now, we know you love heat lotion, and it broke my heart when we had to go work on this reformulation. But I stand behind the power of this formula, and I stand behind the power of this product. In fact, our focus group insisted, because they're all aloe heat lotion lovers, they all insisted that we use many of the same key ingredients, which we did. So you're going to recognize a lot of the same ingredients in this formula. It lasts longer on the skin. Its sensation lasts longer. And that was some feedback that actually shocked us. We couldn't believe it when people said, wow, the cooling effect of this lotion actually lasts longer than the heat lotion, which is exactly what we were going for. We wanted it to be so powerful that once you put it on the skin, you would think, is it warming? Is it cooling? What is it doing? But it was going to do it for a substantial amount of time so that you could continue to enjoy that cooling sensation and that refreshing, energizing feeling for your entire day. The scent is invigorating and refreshing. It smells a little bit like mint. Very, very powerful. Again, similar to your heat lotion, you open it up, you put it on the skin, you know you're wearing it because it's got that powerful scent, and it includes a medley of synergistic ingredients in very high concentration. This is a formula that was created by our R&D scientists that are doctors, chemists, scientists, biologists. We all got together and collaborated on this formula, and I am really proud of it, and I know you're going to love it. What does this mean for heat lotion? Heat lotion has an effective soft sell in the European countries, all European countries, effective December 17th of 2022. This simply means that you as an FBO may no longer promote your stock of heat lotion or your sample sachets to any customer outside your home. You may, however, continue to use it for your own personal use. We want you to use the stock that you have purchased and love, but you may no longer promote it. Aloe Cooling Lotion is the new product that you will replace or sell in the place of the customers who used Heat Lotion. Aloe Cooling Lotion is now a product that you can promote proudly. I really cannot wait for you to try it. It's a fantastic sensation on the skin. It lasts longer than Heat Lotion. It cools down, provides all the wonderful sensations you're expecting for that muscle and joint support and that cooling, refreshing sensation on the skin. So there you go. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I can't wait to hear your feedback. Come up and tell me what you think. I'd really love to hear from you. So the next time you see me, pull me aside and let's have a chat about how much you love Aloe Cooling Lotion. All right, friends, sending you, as always, the biggest hugs and loves. Bye.